Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another try on haul. This video is specifically, I am looking for wedding guest dresses. I don't know why that combination of words is so difficult for me to say, which is why I slowed it down, just make sure I say it right. But I'm on the hunt to find some super cute wedding guest dresses for this summer. We have a couple of weddings to go to, but I think we're only honestly gonna make it to one just because of the move and all of that. But I wanted to share this with you in case you guys are looking for some wedding guest dresses for this summer and are curious to see what I picked out. I shopped from 3 different places. The first one was Abercrombie, the second one was Lulus, which I've never ordered from before, and the third one was Petal Pup, which I love. I wish they would work with me on a video because I am like probably one of their biggest fans. I love their dresses. I placed an order last summer for some dresses from them and I absolutely love it. I've actually worn one of their dresses to a wedding last summer or last spring, I want to say, and it was super cute. I absolutely love their quality of their dresses, and now they ship in the US, so I feel like it's so much quicker than when it was coming from Australia. Side note, completely. But they always have like some sort of influencer who has a coupon code and you can always get like 20% off or something like that, so check that out. I got an email from them saying that they wanted me to shop for 20% off, so I was like, heck yes. So you can always find something, so check that beforehand. But anyways, let's get into this. I have never shopped at Lulus, so let's start with Lulus first, but also, all my measurements will be linked down below, all my sizes will be linked down below, and all these dresses will be linked down below. Let me know where your favorite place to shop for wedding guest dresses are, because I don't know, I'm still continuing to look and find the perfect dress, because for me, I feel comfortable and I feel confident when I am dressed comfortably and cute. So anyways, let's get into it. The first one is honestly really tight, you guys. I kind of sized up in some of these just because I didn't want them to be like insanely tight, and I feel like for specifically Petal Pup, their sizing runs really small. Lulus, this dress was just so tight. I think it's meant to be that way. I should start off by saying this is out of my comfort zone for dresses, because bodycons are not my jam typically, but this bodycon stood out to me because it's already got the shape to it. Do you see what I mean? And I was a little nervous because I was like, is that gonna fit me? I should have sized up. And if you get this dress, I recommend sizing up for the sheer fact that it is like a super, like a bandage. It is like super stretchy, super tight, but there is like a silk lining, or like not silk, but like a flishy lining inside, which is nice because it's really comfortable. But I find that it can kind of like bunch up if it's too small, if that makes sense. So this was super cute. I loved the square neckline. I love the red. I've never been a red girl. I have never actually owned a red dress in my life, and I feel like a lot of people do. I like the gold detailing. I would just say for this wedding, it is an outdoor wedding in Austin, I want to say. I don't think this is going to work, but I did want to try it. It was one of their top rated bestsellers, and it is really nice quality, and it is a suck you in sexy dress, but I don't think it's appropriate for the wedding that I'm currently going to. I do love the length on it. I love the slit, but I would not be able to dance in this thing. It would be so tight. But for like a really nice dinner or like a Vegas, I don't know, this would be super pretty. They also have it in black, and I'm not sure if they have it in other colors, but I thought that was really cute. This next one is so pretty. This reminds me of like a garden party situation. I love that it is a maxi style dress. I find that this is super pretty, especially for like a spring summer wedding. It does have a really nice slit in it. It's double lined with this like floral print over the top. It's got a beautiful like bodice section. You technically could wear a bra with this. I didn't. I would say this runs like a tiny bit big. So if you're between sizes, you could size down, just because in the chest area, when I wasn't wearing a bra, I felt like it was just like a little bit loose. And I felt as though the like slit should have come a little bit higher on my thigh. So just keep that in mind if you're ordering this dress. But this was really pretty. I really like the sleeve detailing and whatnot. I don't know if it's necessarily super like formal. But like I said, if you're an outdoor wedding, this would be really pretty. My only complaint is I wish they had lined the inside with this material as well, because I do find that the slit folds over and it's just like a white material, but it's not a deal breaker. Obviously, it's so pretty, and I love the floral details and the flutteriness for the spring. And it would be like a really nice, like lightweight dress. Like that's what I was thinking, the outdoor. I don't really want like a super bodycon dress, but then I'm gonna show you one that I absolutely love. So we'll see. I'm gonna see her this weekend, so I wanna make sure I know the exact like theme she's going with, you know? I don't know. I think that's important, but I'm weird. So this next dress is another maxi dress from Lulus. This is stunning. It's like a satin silky material. I love this like teal color with all the floral details. This is so pretty. The slit is nice, and this isn't like folded over with like the same color, or with a different color, but it's the same color. So I feel like it's less noticeable when it flops over, if you know what I mean. You see what I mean? It's so pretty. The adjustable straps, the low back is beautiful, the crisscross in the front. I wouldn't say that you would want to wear like a bra with this, but I didn't wear a bra with many of them. Sometimes I wore a strapless bra. But this is beautiful. It's a heavy dress, and I would say that it like really, if you are, I'm 5'5", and I was wearing heels, and this dress was like borderline, I'm gonna step on it. So be careful with that. If you're a short girl, this might not be the one for you, but you could like adjust the straps and pull it up a bit more to kind of cinch up a little bit of that material. But those are all of the dresses that I got from Lulus. In the comments, I wanna hear what your favorite dress is. What do you think that I should wear? This dress, oh, this dress is stunning. And I think she's doing more of like a black sort of wedding themed. I think those are sort of her colors. And so I thought this dress would be beautiful. What I love about it is, first of all, it's black, which I don't typically wear black to a wedding. I don't know why, I just don't. But this is a linen one with ruffles, so I feel like it's a little more like casual springtime or summertime situation. This is beautiful. The shape on this is perfect. I feel like the straps, like most of the time I don't like off the shoulder stuff, but I don't feel like this is, I would have to like continue to pull this up like at all. It stays really well because it has this bungee in the back. I love this. Also has a zipper to get in and out of with a little eye hook on it. These straps are stretchy, so I can like move my arms and wiggle around, and I won't have any issues with it at all. It does have a small slit in the back, which is beautiful. This is like very form-fitting, but like not like in a, like, I don't know, too sexy sort of way. I think that is such a timeless classic piece that you could wear so many different times. I think that might be my winner. All right, I love Petal Pup's like satin sort of dresses. I just think they do them so well, and they fit so awesome. This pink one, I really liked this blush color one. This was just a bit sheer for me. I mean, I love that it is double lined at the breast area, so you don't have to wear a bra, because you really can't. Even with a strap, you could wear like sticky boobs, but with a strapless bra, the back is so low that you can still see the bra. But it's beautiful. Like, it is such a beautiful color. I love the A-line, or like the asymmetric cut at the bottom with the slit. It's beautiful. I would just suggest a darker color if you're concerned about sheerness, but you could always wear like a, what do I want to say? Shapewear underneath it to kind of conceal everything, like a nude sort of situation, which I have, so I could wear that underneath there if I decided. But I love this color. I think this color is beautiful for a spring, summertime wedding. But again, these dresses, this style, once you find the style, they come in so many different colors, so they're super pretty. I love this cowl neck detailing. This next one is another contender. This is so beautiful. I feel like these would make good bridesmaids dresses as well. Again, with that same satin material. I love the navy. The navy is, I like darker colors on me. I just think they're so pretty. I love it. Okay, so the different straps, it's cowl necked, but it has like a thicker strap and then a spaghetti strap, both adjustable, which is awesome. I love the shape of this dress. I just wish I had a slit. There is room to move. I could dance, but I wish I had a slit. But this material is thicker than the slip dress sort of material. This is a nicer like fabric, I think more weighted. This is gorgeous. Like, it's between this and the black one, I think. So let me know, sound off in the comments. I also have to figure out what time of day it is too, because I feel like you can go with more of darker dress during the like evening. Am I psycho? Yes. Okay. Finishing off this haul, we've got Abercrombie. I love their best guess wedding dress section. I have 2 of their dresses. I honestly should have included them, but it is what it is. You've probably already seen them, but I like their selection. I think they have a really good selection, and yeah, I think they fit really well. So again, going with this cowl neck trend, I had tried a dress that was in this same style, but I didn't love the print. I loved the print and the color on this one. It's so summer beautiful. So I love the cowl neck detailing at the top. This is double lined, so I don't have any issues with see-throughness. It's got the 2 spaghetti straps at the top with shoulder straps that kind of go and hang off the side, which I think is really feminine and beautiful. It is a lower back, but not a super scoop, so you could, I think, wear a bra with this. I'm not like 100%. I will confirm that with the try on. Again, this doesn't have a slit. It's just a straight down. I think I got this in petite. No, I got this in regular size. This is beautiful. I think it's really pretty. The design has like butterflies and floral on it, but again, it's not like in your face because it's on like a lighter oranger background, and I love this. I think this is really pretty for an outdoor wedding. In the daytime, I think that would be super cute. And this last one I got is more of a form-fitting one. I like this. I just don't know if I love this, like, okay, so it's an asymmetrical top again, which is very in. So both the straps go to one shoulder. There's this piping line that kind of goes across it that I think is kind of weird. I do like that it cinches you in at the waist. The piping detail in the back and whatnot is awesome. The slit is beautiful. The length is perfect. I did get this in a small petite just because I didn't want it to be super long. The material of these dresses, all of their dresses, is like a spongy, stretchy texture that's just really flattering to the body. I feel like it hides any cellulite that you might be dealing with, and smooths everything out so you don't feel like you need to wear shapewear under it, which I love. You can wear a bra with this. I wore a strapless bra. But yeah, I think this is really pretty. I do really like the blue color. They also have it in black, I want to say, but I wanted to try some different colors personally. So those are the 9, I think there was 8 of them. 8 dresses that I tried out from Abercrombie, Petal Pup, and Lulus. Again, let me know in the comments down below, where do you shop for your wedding guest dresses, so I can check out some more places. And if you like seeing these and want to see more just different like events, like, I don't know, let me know in the comments down below. I have so much fun browsing the site and picking out different things, and this happened to be for something I need anyways. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to let me know in the comments down below which dress is your favorite. I'm leaning towards black or navy, but I want your opinion. Okay, I love you guys so much, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.